Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Yoast SEO plugin to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So log into your account successfully, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the home page, where the left side screen you can get started accessing all the sections you have for your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now we can get started with editing our website and adding Yoast SEO. So what we're looking for guys is right here, the left side screen. By scrolling down a bit you'll be able to find the plugin section. So you can see the plugin section right here. This is what we want to open up. Click on plugins, and this is now going to open up this plugin section right here, this menu, where you can find all the plugins we can use for our WordPress website, as you can see. And one of the first recommendations guys is going to be Yoast SEO. This is going to be immediately right here at the start. So what you can do is either find it right here, or if you do not see it right here, you can just use the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Yoast. And after searching for it, it's going to give us a result of applications, and here we can find the plugin Yoast SEO that we want to use. So basically guys, to install it, all you have to do is just open it up, and after doing so, right here on the right side of the screen, as you can see, first we need an upgraded plan for WordPress. If you have that, as you can see, I don't, so I can't see the install button, but if you have the plan, it's going to say install right here. So all you have to do is just click the install button, and after clicking the installation button, just proceed with the steps, get started setting it up, and now you'll successfully add Yoast SEO to your WordPress website and you can get started managing it. But yeah guys, it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.